Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix you cannot leave like for 3 days problem on your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix you cannot leave likes for 3 days problem on your Instagram, then I will show you simple method to do this. First of all, you need to check whether your Instagram is up to date or not. Just tap on the Play Store and search for Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, then go back, tap on settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache. Once tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear storage. Before tapping clear storage, you have to make sure that you have remembered your Instagram user ID and password. If you have remembered, you need to read this once. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. After that, reading this carefully, just tap on delete, then go back and check whether the problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then tap on the Instagram. Tap on Instagram profile icon, tap on 3 horizontal lines in the top right side corner, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down a little bit. In this you can see here help option, tap on the help, tap on report a problem. Again tap on report a problem, tap on don't include and continue. Here you need to type some of the matter. Hi Instagram team, I am facing the issue you cannot leave like for 3 days problem. So I kindly request to resolve my issue as soon as possible. After that, you need to attach a screenshot of that error and tap on send button. After sending this, you have to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix you cannot leave like for 3 days problem on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.